Good morning, friends. I'm back with another vlog for you, and what a wonderful day we have. And it's early morning, 7 a.m. and this is a weekend. As you can see, I'm on my street and we are heading towards Lonavala Tiger Point. Now today is my second ride with my Triumph buddies. So right now I'm heading towards Dehu Road, where my meeting point is with them, and the rest of them have already started from Triumph showroom, and they will be meeting with me within the next 15 minutes. Now the weather is really good, chilly. I can't even tell you what the temperature is because I have not seen that. However, with the mesh jacket that I'm wearing, I'm feeling cold, man. It is cold. Now behind we have the beautiful sun waving us and saying good morning to you all. Let's just enjoy the ride, have fun with the big boys, and continue. See you in a bit. So finally I'm back again. I have rejoined with my group. Everyone is ahead of me and I am going to catch them now. Okay, these guys are damn fast and I'm damn slow. There we are. So riding with your pal is one of the best things that can ever happen to any rider. A lot of reasons behind. Because you love your bike and you love the sound of a superbike. So the big boys with the big speed have already moved ahead, and 2-3 of us, including the Bobo behind me, and Shubham with his co-partner, not the co-partner, his co-passenger is on his 300 RS behind us. So I hope the road towards Tiger Point is good enough. The last time I visited, it was a couple of years back. It was not that great, but hopefully this time it's going to be a good. Look at that, man. He's a professional rider for sure. And there goes another Daytona. This is the reason why we love to ride. And to be honest, I don't feel like speaking anything. So let's just enjoy the ride, guys. I'll keep my trap shut for a while. Basically for the KTM people, and honestly I'm a KTM person, so I know, I love the brand, I know how the brand is and how the bike is, but when it comes to the service and everything in India, it's pathetic. So a lot of people have wrong opinions about the KTM brand, but and also about the bike. It completely depends how you use it and how you actually maintain the bike. And the last most important thing which I wanted to mention, I am going to reveal something. It is beneficial for you guys because I have gone through that kind of problem, that issue. I don't have a word to exaggerate because this is a social media. I don't want to use any foul languages, but I just want to tell you it is the worst experience that I had. And these guys were caught actually, but anyways, we'll be sharing you all those information and letting you know. Please do watch it for your own sake, not for my sake, so that you know when you buy the bike how it is maintained and whom you should work with on your bike. So that is how the most important thing is that the relationship and the trust factor, that is one of the most important key in your life. So please do watch it. And so guys, one more thing also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel for now, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for notification, and please do share your comments. We would love to reply you back, and I love interacting with you all, guys. So we are almost with the pack right now, and the pack has been divided right now. It's really weird. Half of them are planning to go to the Ambi Valley and half of them somewhere else to have missile pow. So right now I decided to follow my boss over here, the Tiger. Okay, so we are here in Lonavala right now, and look at the sound of that. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Look at that Lambo! Huracan! I am in love. That's a ride, man. Cherry on the top. I am loving it. Oh, freaks. This made my day, man. This made my day. Whoa, 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 whoa. according to the registration, it says PY. I guess it's from Punjab. I'm not sure. I might be wrong as well. But that is a hell of a machine, man. Wow. This is Bikers Brotherhood, guys. And I'm enjoying it. Nice curves, man. Nice curves. Oh, this is the place where everyone is gonna have missile pow.
आता तू पण डेटा नाही घेतला मी डेटा नाही म्हणलाय त्या बाबतीत थोडं वेगळं झालं
So we had a wonderful breakfast. As I mentioned earlier, that a few of the guys were planning to go to Ambi Valley and few over here. But later on I saw all the bikers together, so we had breakfast, and now half of the bunch have decided to go to Ambi Valley and half of them back to home. So right now, even I will be heading back home. So we had a wonderful breakfast. As I mentioned, it was really good. The first time I ever had a missile pow, and it was cool. It was really cool. So I hope you guys loved the video, and share the love with all the riding brothers and sisters. Ride safe, ride hard. Love you guys. Please do share and subscribe once again, and do let us know your feedback. Take care. See you. Love you. Bye bye.